We are currently in the year of 2071. Our digital residents, I will give you an introduction about yourself over here in a few minutes. Pioneers, if you have any difficulty hearing Aya, there will be the subtitle at the bottom part in Arabic and English. You can read it. Throughout the journey, please feel free to take photos and videos, no flashlight. As well as throughout the journey, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask any of our masters. Pioneers, after the introduction, we'll join the space shuttle journey. As a 4-minute journey will take you to the first chapter, which is the Oasis Hope. Just keep in mind, pioneers, if any of you is claustrophobic or afraid of dark places, loud sounds, just let me know. There is an alternative way to continue the journey. Pioneers, in the minute when you start Aya's introduction, just pay attention to me.
Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists around the world. My intelligence infuses this building and empowers every exhibit it holds. As you voyage to the future, I will be your guide. The worlds that you will encounter are not predictions, they are challenges. Your task is to explore and return with discoveries that can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place and time, Mohammed bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
To the space shuttle. I would like to take all the way to the this. Reminder of any of the bodies is close to home. You know?
Space Dubai ka po. Dubai
Space Shuttle. My name is Maria, but I have the pleasure of being your today. We're all going to ascend 600 kilometers above the Earth to Chapter 1 of your journey, Orbital Space Station Hope. There are 10 windows around you. Please enjoy the view of the station.
وأرحب بكم جميعا اليوم لنا مثل رحلتنا الفضائية إلى محطة الفضاء الفضائية قطر. إنه يوم رائع وأمامنا رحلة ممتعة. استعدوا للقاء بعد رحلة قريبة. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. I'd like to welcome you all aboard today's space flight to OSS Hope. It is a beautiful day, so we're expecting a spectacular journey. Please prepare for launch in just a few minutes. سيداتي وسادتي، إذا نظرت من الفضاء خارجا على الجانب الأيمن من الكبسولة ستلمحون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل. أليست جميلة؟ لقد تسلمت محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل التهكم لتنفيذ عملية الانتهاء النهائية. أسعدني جدا أن أقود رحلتكم اليوم. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will go into space on the starboard side of the capsule, you will see access This program has control over unlimited talking. It's been a pleasure to be your captain today. Please enjoy the view.
The solar أرقام مغناطيسية دقيقة. توصل طاقة تلك الموجات إلى محطات الاستقبال في مختلف مناطق العالم. وحين تبدأ هذه المحطات بالعمل سنتمكن من استغلال الشمس لإنتاج معظم الطاقة التي تحتاج إليها الأرض. These incredible satellites can transform the laser energy into microwaves. The microwave energy is beamed to receiving stations around the globe. When these stations finally come online, we will be able to provide the majority of the Earth's energy from the sun. لكن لن تتحقق هذه الأهداف دون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل. فهي الركيزة الأساسية ومركز قيادة مشروع سول. But none of this would be possible without OSS Hope. It is the centerpiece and command station for the entire Soul project and humanity's home among the stars.
Thank you, Anand, and thank you everyone for listening. As of today, we have 3,000 residents on board OSS Hope.